Hey everyone, I hope you all doing good. My name is Sandeep Goswami and this is my YouTube channel Sandeep Goswami Classes. So as we know, the numbers of farmers in India is very large. Farmers who provide food, grains, raw vegetables, which is one of the most important needs in everyone's life. Farming also contribute a very large number share to our Indian economy, which is truly like a backbone to our Indian economy. We cannot imagine a day without having a favorite meal. So we should be thankful to our farmers. They put so much hard work into their farms, from seeding and nurturing a plant to finally harvesting the crops. So let's talk about the problem which our farmers facing for many decades. Number one is the low and minimum price support. Number two is the debt and credit crisis. Number three is the climate change, weather dependency. Number four is the direct access to the market, the middleman issues. And number five is the low storage and infrastructure problem. So these are the top five problems that are farmers facing. But there are only three major issues that we should prioritize first. So what are those issues? Number one, MSP, minimum support price. Number two is the middleman issues. And number three is the direct access to the market. So let's understand these points in more details. MSP. What is MSP? MSP is one of the most primary demand of an Indian farmer, as it ensures that our farmers will receive at least a minimum price of their production. Because every year, in every season, our farmers put so much hard work with so much patience, but many times they don't receive a right value of their production, which is really unfair to them. Number two is the middleman issues. Because our farmers are not being able to sell their produce directly to the end consumer, as there are so many middlemen who take a very large cut. And also in the big market like Sabji Mandi, due to the presence of big monopolies, sometimes our farmers don't get a reasonable price of their production. So middlemen is act like a very big obstacle between farmers and the people they serve. Now the third major issue is the direct access to the market. Because from a small village to reaching a customer in the city, again a very big challenge for them. Like transportation is another big hurdle, unpredictable weather condition, and there is no such a platform in India which can connect our farmers directly to the end consumer. So these are the main issues which I just highlighted. Now let's talk about the solution, that how today's technology and a coming generation can play a very major role to solving these issues. So here's an example of a small village where the numbers of farmers is in thousands, and the farming involves producing different types of vegetables like tomato, onion, carrot, broccoli, and many more. And after every season, when a farmer is trying to sell their produce, they're facing many problems, which I mentioned earlier. So let's come up with the solution by first building a storage facility to all the farmers, where they can at least store their production, store their crops, vegetables, fruits in a very organized and structured way. So the first solution is giving them a proper storage facility to all the farmers. Now the second step is to connecting farmers to the consumers directly. This is where technology plays a very major role. For example, let's develop an app by the name of Hamara Farmer, which can connect our farmers directly to the end consumer. And on this application, on this platform, all the prices of the crops, vegetables, fruits can be listed based on a mutual discussion with the farmers, maybe possibly after multiple meetings with them, to ensure a very fair minimum price so that our farmers will receive a right value of their production. And through this platform, our end users can buy fresh fruits and vegetables directly from the farms without any middleman. And also on the platform, we can list multiple buyers according to their demand, whether in the bulk or whether in the specific quantity. Now the third step is to collaborate with the delivery partner and giving priorities to the electric vehicle to support and encourage the EV industry as well. Now the final step is the right marketing, and it can be done through online and offline both to reach the maximum users as we can. And our USP will be price benefit, fast delivery, and fresh fruits and vegetables. So by providing these solutions and successfully launch the application, what we have achieved. Number one, we gave a place to all the farmers where they can at least store their production, store their crops, vegetables in a very organized and structured way. Number two, through our application of Hamara Farmer, we ensure that our farmers will receive at least a minimum price of their production through mutual understanding, and it can reduce the chance of any misunderstanding in the future. Number three, by using electric vehicle, we support and encourage the EV industry as well, and also solving the problem of transportation which faced by a large number of farmers. Number four, to connect with the city customer, we provide farmers a direct access to their target customer. So these are the main benefit of the platform called Hamara Farmer. And also in the future, we can add multiple features into our platform, such as allowing city users to access that how farmers are doing the crop production, how farmers are doing the harvesting process. And also we can provide additional benefit like educating farmers, solving their pension problem by enabling the direct payment system to all the farmers into their bank account through our application. So overall, this project of Hamara Farmer will help encourage and strengthen our farming industry, which I mentioned earlier that farming is a backbone of India. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, I hope you like my video of how to solve farmers' issues and their problems. If you have any questions or any doubt, then you can connect me on my Instagram or my LinkedIn, or you can mail me at the given email address in the description. And yes, if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel, Sandeep Goswami Classes, for the more upcoming videos. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow founders.